When electronics are pushed to the edge in outdoor, industrial, and high-vibration environments, standard components can fall short. Design engineers need more than sealed enclosures. They need real protection from the inside out. That's where potting comes in, fully encapsulating electronics to protect against moisture, dust, shock, and corrosion. But not all switches are built for this process. Introducing the KSC PF Series tactile switches from Littelfuse, a purpose-built solution for today's highly demanding environments. With a compact form factor and IP67 sealing, the KSC PF combines durability with design flexibility. But its standout feature? A uniquely engineered extended cage around the actuator. This extended cage supports full resin encapsulation, ensuring better alignment, tolerance for thicker potting layers, and reliable protection not just for the switch, but for surrounding PCB components too. Designed for surface mount automated assembly, the KSC PF streamlines production while standing up to the most rugged environments. From automotive e-mobility and smart consumer gear to medical, industrial automation, aerospace, and defense systems, the KSC PF is built for reliability where it matters most. The KSC PF Series, engineered for durability in a potting-friendly form. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the KSC PF Series tactile switches, visit littelfuse.com.